Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to my channel and also kindly put on the notification button to receive updates on all the tutorial that we share every week. So if this is your first time and you're looking for a page where you can start learning your data analytics career journey, or a place where you want to improve your skills in text, this channel is for you. So subscribe and let's grow together as a community. So in this tutorial, I just want to explain in detail a day in the life of a data analyst. What does a data analyst actually do? What do they really do? What do they do? A day in the life of data analyst. So before we start, I know many people wants to become data analysts because they hear that maybe the salaries, remote job and career opportunity, which is not bad. But one question remains is, what does a data analyst, what do they do every day? Do they just create charts? Do they just spend a day writing SQL, or do they simply make dashboard? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what a data analyst does, the tools they use, and the typical work day looks like, and how you can start your own journey in data analytics. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to have a clear understanding of whether data analytics is the right career for you or not. So let's get started. So I have this short, what's it called? I have this a this that will help us to understand better. Let me try and open it. Okay, I'm trying to open this. Right. So now, okay, okay. So now, let's start with what is data analyst? What is data? Who is a data analyst? That's it. Who is a data analyst? So a data analyst is someone who collects, clean, analyze, and interpret data to help business make decision. So let me simply put, data analysts turn data into insight. Yes, in short, data analysts, they turn data, raw data into insight. So data analysts are employed across every industry, finance, healthcare, tech, retail, any industry, because you know why? Data is the new oil. Every business need data. Data is is central to modern operation, and then business generates thousands of data or even millions of data every day. So without analysis, this information is just number, because a data analysis app helps to answer questions like, why are sales dropping? Which product sells the most? Which customer generates the highest revenue? Which brand perform better? And also, what should management focus on? So these are the things that data analysts actually help the business to do. They help the business to turn their raw data into insights that will make the management, the client, the stakeholder to make insightful and meaningful or decision. So now, what does a data analyst actually do a day in the life of data analyst? The first thing is, as a data analyst, I would say that you look for a problem. That's just it. A data analyst actually needs to look for a problem to solve, because without that, you won't be able to do this following. So a data analyst collects data. The first task is gathering data from different resources. It might be Excel file, database, CRM, system, ERP system, Google Data Analytics, and also company website or company software. So you collect the data, and then before you start your analysis, you move to cleaning. Second thing is clean. So because most of the data you are connecting from different sources, they are messy. So you need to clean your data. Common issue include missing value, duplicate record, wrong date. Because if you have wrong data type, you will have issue with your analysis. So all of those things needs to be cleaned up and transformed before you start analyzing your data. The next step is analyzing data. A data analyst spends significant time cleaning the data first before start analyzing it. I would say that if a data is very messy and is not well clean and arranged, you spend 70% of your time cleaning data before you start doing every other thing. Because if the data is not well clean to what you want to do, your analysis will be wrong. So this ensure accurate reporting. So the next step is analyzing data. So once data is clean, the analyst begin looking for pattern and trend, begin to ask question: which region generate the highest sale, which product perform poorly, and also which month are the highest revenue. So these are the things you start doing. You start analyzing your data, creating KPI, and the next thing is to create a report and dashboard. These insights you have to present it using Excel report or Power BI, Tableau, or any visualization or method that you need to. So management doesn't just want number, they want to see the trend, they want to see KPI, visualization, and also recommendation. The last thing is to present your data. You need to be able to tell a story. A good data analyst doesn't just show number. They tell a story. Instead of saying sale decrease, you explain further why did the sale why the sale decrease or increase in a particular region or city or particular product. You explain. So this is where your data become actionable, because without explanation, this management or your stakeholder won't be able to take action. So now we move to the tools that data analysis need. You need some tools, and the first tool and the most important tool for data analysts is Excel, because Excel remains one of the most important skills for data analytics. Analyst, you need Excel. Excel is not outdated, it's the foundation and the most important. You see, most companies, they want to hire data analysts and they will tell you that, oh, you must have what's it called, experience in SQL, Power BI, Python, blah blah blah. At the end of the day, you will get to the company. When you get out, you will realize that it's only Excel that you are using. Even if you try to bring innovation, they will still tell you we are still using Excel. I am talking for experience, so don't think that Excel is outdated. Excel is not outdated, and I will tell you why. Because Excel is very easy to use and is flexible and is cheap. This is why most companies are still sticking to Excel today. It's very easy for them to use. It's very flexible. So don't think, learn Excel. Don't think Excel is outdated. It's not outdated. Then you can start learning SQL, Power BI, and also Tableau. One skill at a time. Please don't jump. One skill at a time. Then optional, you can decide to learn Python. Python is not the main tool of data analyst. It's just a plus for you. If you know Python as a data analyst, it's a plus, because you won't be writing programming every time. You are not into data scientist, you are a data analyst. So you don't have to jump on skill. Don't jump. Stick to one, learn that one, be confident using that one before you move to the next skill. If not, if you jump everything together, you will feel overwhelmed and you will leave it again. So these are the things that you need to learn before, these are the tools that data analysts use. So now we move to the skill. We've talked about the technical skill, which are the tools. Let's talk about the soft skill. We have the problem solving. As a data analyst, you have to have a problem solving skill. Yes, like I told you earlier, that as a data analyst, you are looking for a problem to solve. You are a problem solver. You look for a problem to solve. So you have to have a problem solving skill, a communication skill. Yes, this is where you need to be able to tell your story, your finding, for stakeholder to be able to take action with what you found. And then you have to be able to think critically. Yes, critical thinking is very important. And one of the important thing again is attention to detail. You need to pay attention to details in everything that you are doing as a data analyst, and also have understanding of the business. You have to have understanding of the business. So these are the things that you need to have before you can start your journey as a data analyst. So for you to become a data analyst, these are the steps, these are the skills that you need to have. So how do you start a data analyst as a beginner? I have a video in my YouTube channel that you can also, that can guide you on that, but I can quickly run through it. If you are starting, start from scratch, learn Excel. Learn Excel, like I've told you. You don't need a computer degree. I don't have a computer degree, but I learn it as a skill. I learned this data analysis. I start the career and I learned the tools and the skills that I need to become a data analyst. So if you find this, if you are enjoying problem and working with data, this will be an excellent career path for you. So, and there is nobody that cannot do it. If you love it and you want to start, just start now. And if you are looking for a tutorial, personal tutorial to guide you, I am a personal tutorial, and you can reach me via LinkedIn. I'll put you through how to start your journey as a data analyst, and I can guide you. I can teach you. I've taught hundreds of people on how to start their career in data analytics. So you can just reach out to me via LinkedIn, or just drop the comments. I want to start. Then we can start from there. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, and also comment video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.